The 4 things you should not put on your bed. We must avoid using the bedroom for any purpose other than sleeping, since, otherwise, our brain will associate it with other activities and it will not rest. Our bed is that space for relaxation and rest after having completed all the activities of the day. Right there we can repair our body through sleep. It is proven that sleep plays a fundamental role in health, as the body activates a series of processes to restore the body's cells and optimize each of their functions. For this reason, sleep disturbances lead to the development of various pathologies, as this study points out. Although sleep problems can be caused by many factors, the state of the bed as well as items that are on it incident in the quality of sleep. For this reason, today we are going to share information on those elements that should remain out of your bed so that they do not interfere with a restful and complete rest. You should. 1. The mobile phone. Nowadays, most of the people have a smart mobile phone that they can carry with them everywhere. The biggest problem is that many of the users are developing sleep disorders, since they spend rest time staying connected to the mobile. 2. Food. Eating food on the bed is unhygienic. What's more, it can create the perfect environment for bacteria and mites to grow. Although a breakfast in bed is usually pleasant, the truth is that small crumbs tend to fall and become the focus of bad smells and microorganisms. 3. Pets. In their fur, pets carry dust, microorganisms, pollen and many other particles that can cause allergies or other reactions. In addition, they often make sounds and make movements that will eventually interrupt sleep. 4. TV control. The main problem is that watching television before going to sleep can alter the production of melatonin, since it depends to a great extent on variations in brightness, as highlighted by a study by the University of Seville. For this reason, it is always advisable to program the automatic shutdown at least 30 minutes before the chosen time to sleep. Do you have these items on your bed? Now you know that they could influence your ability to fall asleep. Perhaps it is time to start making some modifications in the room so that it becomes an ideal space for rest.